Welcome. My name is Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday here. Um, yeah, and I can't understand. Oil has pulled back. The sense. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people help each other and we're not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's also a full risk disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders there. Okay, go look at these pairs. It's the way to go. Yeah, okay. Market opens, push down here, push back up here. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to wait for this to push back down again, potentially. Mm. Welcome, Tom. He's coming in. And okay, so that's it's just weird. The wicks are just crazy on it. Anyway, I'll just welcome, Tom. All right. Hey, oh, you're there.
All right. AUD CAD.
We're just at the top. Yeah. Look at the wick on that thing. Look, 1 week up at the end of the week, 1 week down at the start of the week,
Yeah.
and then just pushed back up again. Like, look at it. It was way down here.
Yeah. I'm waiting to just trigger in.
You reckon it'll buy, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have my limit order set.
Okay. I'll let you continue to sell, but that's okay. Did you see oil?
No, I did not. What's oil doing?
It just came back. It just chopped off. Anyway, wait till we get down there. This it's weird. There wasn't a lot of gap in the, well, there would have been here. That would have been an enormous gap, and then it's come back up here. Now, if we look here, let's go look at, say, the 2 hour there. Where is it? Yeah, that's the Friday. It started down here and then it pushed down. It's gone back up again. Just weird stuff. And this is probably not one that's going to have lots of gap. Oh, welcome, Darren. How are you?
Oh, right. So,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Darren.
what's
Yeah.
happened to the price of oil is today? I've not looked.
I know. Hang on, I'll go and show you. Look at it. It's a ridiculous situation. Look at this. It's back to 68. It's just like up and then it's shorted out. Look at it, all the way back down here.
Why is it, how quick did that then? You would have thought
Yeah, you would have thought. That's
you'd
right.
gone pushed up further.
No. Maybe it's just coming back to grab something and then take off.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It's weird. The first thing I looked at it when I got up, I thought, oh, it's no. Gone from 78 all the way down to 68.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe the world doesn't care about oil anymore. They're just running around in electric vehicles. All the
Yeah.
rich people. Let's just go. Oh, well, we'll see. Yeah, weird. Anyway, we've got a prelude into the weird. Okay, AUD This has come back down again. Look at it jump down over here.
I'm in 2 trades on this one.
Sells?
Hmm.
Yeah, well, yeah, okay. If you're going to do a sell on this, why are you doing a buy on ACAD? It's because it's doing its thing. Okay, that's okay. What I've got AUD Let me have a look. Where am I up with that one? There. Oh yeah, 162 pips. So yeah, it's gone further than because that's my actual about 4%. That's good. Loving it. I reckon it'll go further. Anyway, and back to AUD CAD. That's just I think that'll also drop off. Anyway, don't think AUD's got the strength. It's just playing around with AUD JPY. Needs to sell. I think, well, we'll just see what happens there. This Japanese yens are still unpredictable, Darren.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very unpredictable. Okay, AUD NZD. I'm still in the sell, but look at it. It goes up there nearly to entry and then comes back. It's come back down again. And now it's sitting in the middle. The wickiness on this stuff is just incredible. Great for scalpers.
Oh, yeah.
Great for Euro CHFs if you're allowed to stay with the broker, you know.
Yeah. 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 I've got to sort, not sorted that out yet, but
Haven't you?
yeah, no, not yet. I need to get another broker. I'm just trying to get I've got a sharpshooter. I want to set that up first on the
Right?
equity markets account. So get that back in. I want to get that back into use. Sharpshooter.
Which is this one? I think
Uh,
I saw that on EA.
yeah, that's one of the sort of essential ones to have, I think, in that EA Academy. Sharpshooter.
Uh, is that I'm trying to remember the video I watched on that. Is that the one with the lower? No, that's not the one with the lower drawdown, is it?
Yeah, low drawdown. Very low
Yeah,
drawdown.
it was like
High accuracy.
$1,000 or something.
No. I got it for 25% off.
Yeah.
It's $499 normally, US dollars, less 25%, so it's 300 more.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, I thought I saw it was like $1,000 or something.
I
No,
think
that may be wrong.
is that part of a package you was looking at then, where you get a package of EAs, possibly.
Hang on. Yeah. Where am I? Over here. That's not it. Yeah, what's here? There.
Good job those Iranians aren't sharpshooters with their missiles. They just they knock them out of the sky, didn't they? So it doesn't do any damage.
And what is this called? Sharpshooter? I can't remember now. Let me.
If you go on the EA Academy,
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
there's something there where they're selling these packages. But if you just hover your mouse over sharpshooter, it's
MM.
sharpshooter and click on that, it just takes you to the sharpshooter
Yeah, that's what I'm
onto the
trying to
website.
find here.
Sorry, I'm interrupting you here.
No, that's okay. Well, we go there. Hang on, let's just stop sharing that. and we'll share across to here so you can there. That's the
Yes,
isn't
if you
it?
go on, if you go on packages,
All right.
yeah, and trading robots, third-party EAs packs. So,
Oh, they've got the sorry.
all right,
They've got 3 lots. Okay.
third-party EAs packs. See what it says FOREX pack 2650. In that, they've got sharpshooter in that one. But if you just click on sharpshooter only, instead of don't click on buy now, just click on sharpshooter.
Oh, this is darker. Yeah, okay. So they pack them all together. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you can get them individually. You go on sharpshooter, and then
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
there we are. 25% off promo code. Get you 25% off.
It's up the top here. I can't see it. Okay. 25 off. Okay. All right. Yeah.
So yeah, so you get 497 less 25%.
I hear 492. Okay.
300 and something pounds. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, well, you can request a demo there, 5-day demo.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Recommended starting 3K. Leverage 200 to 1. Back test though.
Yeah, there is like that. I mean, he's been testing it live on EA Academy,
Yeah.
whatever his name is.
25 to 50 scalps a week, uses adaptive at price volatility. Yeah, this is the video I was watching. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think it had a low drawdown, if I remember
Yeah,
rightly.
I think he's been testing it live, and I think there was only one incident of any drawdown, sort of, I don't know, a couple of percent or something, and period he's been
8
testing it.
trades a day. He had less than that, I think. Yeah, I don't know if I trust back tests all the time.
Oh no! You want one that's been live tested as well, which is what that guy on the channel does. He's been testing it live
Yeah.
for a period of time.
Sharpshooter in action, 10 years back test. What members are saying, oh, that's great. Yeah, good. So this is like basically they get a cut from linking you across onto it. Okay.
Right. I presume they're getting something, aren't they? Commission or something there, or they might be.
Oh, so this is prop firms. Oh,
Yeah. I
this
mean,
is for
I've not bought any of these, but these were sort of packs of EAs,
yeah,
that sort of thing. Top 10, top 10 EA's lifetime.
yeah. Well, you can see that here too. It has top 10.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have access to all those different items within that one package for FOREX that you buy, right?
If
Yeah,
you
you
buy
can
the whole
so
lot. Yeah.
Which is the 2650.
yeah.
Correct.
Okay, so if you bought the 2650 and got all these different EAs,
Yeah, these
Yeah.
ones here.
split your account among them.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Or separate accounts. So I'll have a separate account.
Right, or separate accounts of them,
Yeah,
and figure out which one's actually working and supply that account with the highest profits from the other
correct.
accounts that
Yeah.
are only working medium,
Yeah.
building that one account up. Your percentages would get higher because you have a higher rate to win ratio.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So if you do you understand what I'm saying? Just split them up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that 2650 is actually fairly cheap. Or even the 5790. If you can afford the 5790 and buy the premium package, split all those packages into one and let all of them run, and then just manage the money from where you want to put from the mediocre accounts into the high result account.
Well, that top 10 the top 10 app EAs is basically 10 EAs rolled into one. That's something that they've developed in this group.
Right, but it's lifetime.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you got to
yeah.
40, you got it.
So
I think.
so it's a one-time purchase. If you
Oh
if
yeah,
you if you sign up for this thing if you create a business and sign up for this, that's a tax write-off. That's an expenditure of business.
yeah,
So
Yeah.
you would actually be able to write that off, fund all the accounts, and then
yeah.
let it run.
Yeah.
There's 11 there, but that's okay. Ah, hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I have to have a look at this a lot closer. Accounts
Anyway, so yeah,
10,000, risk 1%. Okay.
I'm just adding sharpshooter to my robots portfolio, which I'm trying to develop.
Right, yeah.
It's about spreading your risk, really.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, I totally agree. But also too, I mean, I'm looking at ones that, prop firm ones, they're actually not prop EA.
Talking about prop firms and things, the POW, the one that you mentioned, Brian.
Oh yeah, that's not a prop firm, that's
So a
a
funded,
group. Yeah.
yeah, they do like a funded.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm
You
joining a
know what the
webinar tomorrow evening on that.
Yeah.
It's something they sent out because they expressed an interest. The whole hosting a
A webinar.
yeah. It's 7
Yeah.
p.m. UK time, so you'd have to go even earlier, Brian.
Yeah,
If
I
you
know. I
want.
know. Signed up, but I think it was like 2 or 3 in the morning, and I didn't
Yeah.
get I didn't get up for it.
No.
So
Well, this one's 7 p.m., so that'll be 4 a.m., I think, wouldn't it?
oh yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
that'll be 4 a.m. Still pretty, still a bit early for me, that would be, but uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
Anyway,
so
that's
look at
just an
that.
interesting.
I have a question. Do you guys know how much the minimum is on those packages on that 5790?
What account size?
Yeah, do
No,
you have to have a minimum on each one of those? And if so, how much is it?
don't know.
Oh, they're all different, I think.
Yeah, they could be different, you say.
Yeah. Like let's have a look at the Dark Algo. I can't remember what that was. No, hang on. Dark EAs. 12.5. No. The Dark Algo one. Yeah, look at these. So you can get them as in, oh, one time. Yeah, five. Uh, 5 licenses. I see installation update guide. I don't know. Here we go. Dedicated page.
I think there's some Q&As on there somewhere. Question and answers. Minimum account size.
Yeah, see, it was $1,000
Yeah.
US as the minimum on.
When you scroll down, there might be some, there are some question and answers somewhere.
Low drawdown. Yeah. But they've got lots of information stuff in relation to it, but like some of them will be different,
Yeah.
Tom.
Okay.
They're they'll have different amounts that they would suggest uh, and leverage as well, a whole lot of different things that each one. But look, we know what these things are. We just got to know what it is for each one and whether we're whether we want to do something like that or not. But look, Darren, looking at what no, did you no, you didn't get it from here, that Euro CHF, did you?
Well, it was. If you go back to the top of the page, I saw a review, a video he'd done of it, and it was not in under robots. Just go to the left, move across under the FOREX robots. I'd seen a video he'd done of it, and that's what tempted me. FX Fortnite. That's the one. Yeah, that was the one.
This one.
Yeah, that's the Euro CHF.
Oh, 30-day money back guarantee.
Imagine if you blew your account and you wanted to ask for your money back. Yeah, they might give you the cost of the A back, but they wouldn't get you
No, no.
gel
The
back.
Forex Quarter offers a 30-day refund for over 40% drawdown. Use your recommended settings without EA interruption. So they're saying if it does more than 40% drawdown, oh, okay,
All
yeah.
right, yeah, yeah. Well, there's
Yeah,
his
what's your name?
unit,
Petra,
which is what a yeah.
Petco. This is his own page he's done up, yeah. Fully automated, but it was um making good profits.
It was. It was very busy though. I must admit, when I set it up again on a different broker, I think I'll probably I'll go with half the recommended lot sizes. I think you put in the initial lot size in this.
Yeah,
You
yeah, I saw that.
start
See,
off with
yeah,
yeah.
initial
So
results, yeah.
because I did find it a bit. I did find myself watching it a bit too much. See what I mean? So I don't want to be doing something point really. So I will go a bit. I'll go
It
somewhat.
says it says it's actually 1.1% drawdown.
I don't know what does he mean by that. That's not the maximum drawdown. Does it mean average or does that mean? Yeah. Well, it was more than that when I was using it.
17 trades a day.
I think it got to about 5% when I was
5% drawdown.
yeah, but it was very quick. I think what found quite a bit alarming with this one, to be honest, was how quick it was
In and out of trades.
in and out of drawdown as well. It was
Yeah, okay. All right, well, let's just yeah. Risk here we go. Risk. They actually, this crowd's pretty damn good in relation to how they will tell you to set things up.
yeah.
Oh, it tells you how many accounts you can have.
I think it
If
was
you
quite
only
cheap, this one as well, to be honest.
it,
So
149 for a lifetime for one account.
yeah, I think I paid the extra to have two accounts. So
Yeah, 109. It's not that much more, is it?
no.
Yeah, set files, 30. Yeah, okay. Yeah, interesting.
I think if I was giving you my view on it,
Yeah.
I think that wouldn't be the one I'd go
Oh,
for first. From what I've experienced so far, I'd just be sort of a bit scary in terms of the
yeah.
anti-trading it's doing.
Yeah, but once if you get trust in some of these
Oh
ones,
yeah,
then
yeah, you've
you
got to
might.
trade. You know,
I think he's wants this is a trading course thing. I think I get out of there. I think it was. I can't remember. Uh, uh, can't remember.
Is these work on
Looking back.
trading field?
No.
yeah, you put them on straight onto your MT4 or MT5.
Yeah,
But you need a VPS because they're running 24 hours. Just obviously put them on your PC. You've got to leave your PC running continuously there.
these are online courses they've got. But you can become a VIP. I can't remember where it is. You can become a FTMO robot. Yeah. Third party EA is building. I can't remember where. There's anyway, I can't remember how much a month they want to be like a VIP member. Oh, here, learn more. There it is. What am I doing? Sorry. Can't remember where it is. Anyway,
It's time to join that.
for a monthly
Not to
fee, can't remember. It was, yeah,
no
it's 100,
requirement.
150 euro a month.
Yeah,
Hmm.
a bit pricey really, but
Yeah, yeah. Well, they're trying to capture people that have no knowledge of trading. That's all.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's there. Then you got all these courses. They sell all that stuff, and then you got all these. Yeah. Anyway, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's let's go to our pairs. But anyway, it's something that's yeah. So you reckon that's a bit scary that Euro CHF?
Yeah, the ones I've looked at so far, yeah. But I will be opening a new account for that, but I will be going really ultra conservative, I think, with the lot sizes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And
because I wouldn't be comfortable with it's not
did
the
you
amount of
just
drawdown, it's the speed of the drawdown. I thought
yeah
it sort
did
of
you just
very quickly went to drawdown and then back again. And
yeah, you didn't change any of the settings, you just put it on as it was.
default and recommended,
Okay,
they recommend, I think, 0.01 per thousand, I think. Doesn't sound a lot,
yeah,
but it
okay,
is quite a lot with that one. It's
fair enough. Okay, all right, let's go. Yeah, AUD NZD. I'm still on the sell on that, but just crazy wicks on it, all of this stuff. AUD Singapore, I think that's still um it's pulling back up at the minute, but I think we're still going to sell out on all of these. AUD USD as well, sell out there. Um, all the AUDs, I can't see that ACAD buying, Tom, but that's okay. It might in the short term. It might do that to come back up a bit. Now, CAD CHF, look at the drop on that. Now it's come out, it's broken that bottom there. Wait for that to pull back a bit before it sells out further. CAD JPY. Look at the wick on that. Look at that, it's pushed up there and then just sucked itself back. Enormous. That's the market is so wicky at the moment. On a daily anyway. Okay, CHF JPY as well. Oh, look at the jump in that market there. What are you looking for? A sell at? Just Tom?
Yes.
Mm. You can see here, you know, a pullback somewhere to then go off again. All right, your AUD. Again, that AUD is not going too well. It pushed off nicely. And less wiki too. Euro CAD. That took off as well. Right. Euro CHF. Ooh, look at this. Bang, 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 bang. Let's see. price is already below there, but anyway. And Euro GBP. Oh, that's taken off as well. All the euros, look at them. Euro JPY. Oh, wow. That was a good push. Friday, Monday. You in that? Yeah.
I'm in all these.
Okay,
I'm in
good.
all these, man. I'm up like
All the
20%
euros.
already.
Oh, lovely. Euro NZD, same here.
I'm in that one too.
And you're not in Euro Singapore because you don't trade it, but that's okay. In Euro USD, that took
This
off
one I'm
too.
not in yet.
Yeah, it's going to have to break up there. Oh, yeah. Right, the GBPs. Where are they?
I'm in that one too. Look
The
at that.
Euro and the GBP are both sort of buying up, aren't they?
Hmm.
But this could, yeah, okay. There could be, sorry, there could be the Tuesday, Wednesday turn as well, Tom.
Sure, there could be.
Wow.
Yep, in that too.
That was a significant push up, that was. $170 move in a day. Wow. How's my US GBP CHF? It's still going. Pushed up. I'm still in the sell for it. What have I got? It's probably pretty. Whoop. It's still at 60 pips on that. That's okay. All right. Well, if I see much of a move. Look, it hasn't broken there and it's come back. So that's one to monitor. GJ, that'll,
Grab that too.
yeah, good on you. Well done. And GN, same.
Grab that one too.
Yeah, of course you did.
You ever feel like you could just throw a dead cat and hit a great deal no matter what you did?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what it feels like at the moment.
Yeah, well done. GBP Singapore, it's also pushed back up. And GU,
I
yeah,
just gotten this.
yeah, that should be a good push back up. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Anyway, I'll see when I get back. NZD CAD. Oh my God, look at the wick on that as well.
I just got into the buy on this one too.
You can do a buy. No, I don't think so. It might be short term.
Yeah, I'm looking to hopefully get a 6% out of this.
I reckon it'll just pull back to where I've got that entry and then drop back off again. I think it'll sell. NZD CHF, same. Look at that. Drop off there. It's doing a little pullback in a minute. NZD JPY. See, not doing much.
I got into the short on this.
Did you? Yeah, I think it'll short, but that might take a while. NU? Wow.
I grabbed
Look
that
at
this morning.
but look at that. And then just push back up again.
Yeah, I closed that this morning, and now I'm just waiting for that pullback to finish
Yeah.
or possibly turn here.
I think it'll turn. I think it'll sell. I just
No,
need
no.
to.
If it's gonna turn, it's gonna buy back up in the
I
short
think
term.
I think it's already done that.
Oh
It
no, I think
came.
it's gonna break that high.
No, no, no. New Zealand dollar's not. It hasn't got what it needs. I don't think. Oh, Jerome's gonna have a chat. That's right. He's got to testify. You sent that. You sent that Instagram. That's right. Big week.
Hmm.
Singapore Japanese yen is pushed up as well. And UK. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Oh, this. Come on, let's get selling. Looks like it's starting. One, two, let's see if I move this. Oop. Oh, there. Oh, it's close though. We'll see what happens. All right, I still got I still got two orders sitting up there. Whoa. Okay. USD CHF. Thank you. Well, it's only 4.5 pips off triggering me in for a sell.
I'm in.
Yeah, well, I think it changed over. It's going to be in this for sure. But UJ, yeah, let's come
I'm
back
in
down
this too.
to for the sell.
Hmm.
Okay, good. And USD Singapore will also have a oh, why is that? Hmm, that's weird. Why have I got it down there? I do. Well, that's not sensible, is it? Right, need to change that. Will I do that or not? Hang on. Now, should be in. I'll wait for that till I'm going to have to change the entry on that because I'm 65 because I'm down here somewhere. And 17 is it? 277. Oh yeah, way down. This is crazy. I shouldn't have it there. All
What
right.
is that?
Okay. Hey,
What were you looking at?
the order that I've got a sell stop and it's down here somewhere, which is crazy. I need to take advantage of it, but I think this is too close at the moment. If you look at where this is across on the Renko bricks, it's after the next one's completed.
Yeah.
But I think it's too close at the moment. I'll see when I get back from the bus run this morning and the spreads are settled down. I'll see whether I actually market executed or I'll anyway. I'll work out where it is at that time. That's okay. But I will be triggered into USD CHF for a sell. I can tell you now. That's gonna
What
for
do you
sure
mean
happen.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. What do you mean it's too close? What's too close? The
Um,
price?
yeah. What'll happen is it's only like a few pips off. If I actually change it now, it'll trigger that in straight away at changeover because of spread. But I just want to make
Oh,
sure
a
that
changeover because of spread. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Didn't I
See
was completely lost there for a second.
the thing
Sorry,
that
go ahead.
the
Sorry about
thing that
that.
I'm cautious about now is getting and have been in these sessions is actually putting a trade on where it's close to, well, within say 30 pips of where price is, because that spread, it'll just kick me in whether I want to or not. So I've got to, I want to reevaluate it when I get back after the bus run this morning. That's all.
Gotcha.
And then I'll either trigger it in myself, so market executed, or I'll move my order, which I didn't adjust. So, okay, now where's gold? Oh, sorry, gold. There it is. That's pushing back up a bit. Not as dramatic, Darren, as I thought it would. I thought gold would have taken off. I thought oil would have taken off. Totally opposite. They're just sitting there now. Unbelievable. Bloody hell. Oh, Darren's trying to organise his new broker.
Sharpshooter.
Trying to organise his new broker or something. I know. Sharpshooter. Okay. No, you can do it. To go do what you got to do.
That's all right. I'm listening as well. I'm just doing multitasking.
Yeah. Well, I don't do that very well, Darren.
Well, no, none of us do we?
No, as I say to my wife, she goes, "Why can't you do two things at once?" I said, "Well, I can't do two things badly like you. I just got to do one thing really well."
Yeah.
That's a man who knows how to play with his life.
Yeah, all my daughters do the
that went
same.
well.
Dad, can't you focus while I'm trying to do? I said, "No, I can only do one thing well, not two things badly." Anyway, silver, is that gone? No, silver also too. Look at it, just hovering around. You'd think after you used a whole lot of tomahawks and big bombs, you'd want to buy a bit more silver, wouldn't you? Something for the contacts to work off.
Yeah, actually, at this point, I think they're just holding on to see what's actually going to happen.
Yeah. Well, did you see where the Russian, what's his name? I don't know, not dickhead, but one of the other chiefs or something says, "Oh, we'll just loan Iran a nuclear bomb. Don't worry, we've got plenty."
Right.
Well, why haven't they done it already?
A few countries have said that.
Yeah, well,
In
Pakistan,
fact,
yeah,
Pakistan said if Israel sends a nuclear weapon your way, we'll attack Israel with a nuke. So it's like,
yeah.
okay, how are you going to shut everybody down? How is this going to end?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, well, I saw a investigative piece there just the other day. I think it was on the weekend actually. They were talking about all these planes that were leaving China and flying over to, and then they sort of just get lost in the radar, and somewhere they land in Iran or whatever and unload crap, like wind turbines.
Mm-hmm.
And then fly back to China again. There's a whole fleet of them back and forward from China. So you can imagine what they may be in China. They make Iranian missiles or something, supply them. Oh,
Unbelievable.
see how it all happens. All right, Bitcoin's bounced back up. No, didn't expect that either. There's a lot of stuff you don't expect, and people rescue stuff. That's all right. And the US oil to 68. Like, how can it drop off like that? Darren, it's got a short and a crazy move back down.
Probably coming back to that fair value gap down there.
Yeah, but why do it now when you've
To
got all
get
this
that money
under?
before it shoots.
Yeah, I don't know. You might be right there. Tom will have a
Oh, I
look and
mean,
see.
if you look all the way down, the only remaining fair value gap is that little bitty one down there.
Yeah, absolutely. But that's not like, well, when you've got the amount of the level of unrest that you've got in the world, that little bitty isn't necessarily a main focus of the market, I don't think. But
I
maybe it
don't think
is.
so either. That's why I'm saying you see that it's that little bit of fair value gap. So right
Yeah.
above it is the bigger fair value gap.
Yeah.
There's the
Yeah.
little one.
Yeah.
Go down.
Well, there's the one in there.
Yeah, that's the bigger one.
Yeah.
And the
A
littler one
little.
right below it.
Oh, just in there. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is that little bitty fair value gap doesn't need to be taken before it gets taken back up. So I would be looking at this area right there where it's got those three candles across where that launch
Yeah.
was right there.
Yeah.
I'd be
Yeah.
looking for price to work its way back down, tap that, and then
And
take
then
off
take
again.
off.
That's going
Yeah.
to be enough ammunition, so to speak, or liquidity to get it going the other direction. They'll
See,
leave a little
these
piece
are,
behind.
did you notice, Darren, these Americans are starting to talk about ammunition now, even in the market.
It's in our blood.
Get the guns out. Get the guns out.
We're
Uh,
Americans, man. We're raised with it.
yeah, well,
I had that stuff since I was 8.
I don't know whether that's a good thing or not. Anyway,
It is not.
no, I don't think it is either. But I suppose it's maybe a little less than what they get over in Middle East. Yeah, they learn before they're born, they learn to hate.
Mhm.
Incredible. And just, we're all human beings. Like this religion crap, I tell you, just gets me. Anyway, no rights or wrongs. Right, well, there you go. Let's just sit around and now we can eat a bit of chocolate because cocoa's pretty good. Oh, it's come back up a little bit, but sit in the corner and eat cocoa. So sharpshooters happening, is it? Where
No, I'm just, well, I've got the user guide. Yeah, I need to read through that, how to set it up and that sort of
so
thing.
what's the main features of sharpshooter? Is that low drawdown and you can use on, I didn't see that being able to use on a prop firm. That's my focus. I'd like to use something
Yeah.
on a prop firm.
Yeah. Well, I think with a low drawdown, potentially you could.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think it's worth being a monthly VIP of this. I mean,
I don't
basically,
think
if you
so.
can
I'm
get
not
it.
in a
No,
rush to do that at the moment. No.
no, no. Well, I think that's an opportunity for people who have never traded and they're trying to attract those ones. But someone like you, Darren, your broker has warned you. I think that that's
Yeah.
enough knowledge to just use an
Yeah.
EA.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, I want to look at ones that I can use on a prop firm to start with. But there was that. Where is it? Hang on, I'll just go back to the thing. I think there was the one. Where was there? Yeah, this one. This is the. Oh, I can't remember. Maybe if I go back, hang on. No. Oh, go back. No, that's not it. I think it was in here. Yeah, this one. So what was this one about? I can't remember.
Well, Market Master. Yeah.
Market Master. Yeah. Yeah, 3.4 drawdown in 20 years. But that's why I'm looking at this. If you click on here and you go to site, thing, I think this is where it was. Oh, it's not. This was the. Here's the. Oh yeah, buy now. If you go there, it's thousand
Section.
bucks.
Yeah.
And I think it was no, well, 20% off.
Yeah.
So whatever that is, but that's yeah. Anyway, and then it's 5 licenses.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so what's that? 1,000 minus 20%. So that's
$800.
yeah, it's 800. Yeah, exactly. 800 US. For me, that would be I don't know, 12, 1,300 Aussie, I think.
That's quite an expensive one, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah, but the point is, if you can use this type of thing on, you could get that back pretty quickly, I think.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, that's
Well,
enough for yeah.
so I've got this POW or POW.
Yeah,
Well, so I'll let you know how that goes. That's 7 p.m. UK time tomorrow, and they have an EA as well. So I
yeah,
find out a bit about that.
yeah. And apparently they've got a builder as well, so you can build your own EA or whatever, and then there's a whole. It's about I can't remember. It's about £500 a month or
Is this
400.
expensive one? But you get
Sorry.
you get funding with that, don't you?
Yeah, and I think it's cheaper if you well, that's a funded account, but I think it's cheaper if you don't have the funded account. But
Yeah.
well, anyway, you're there. It's not 3, 4 in the morning that I got to get up, so transfer the
Yeah.
knowledge. But
I'll let you
I
know. I'll
don't
let you know how the call, but it'll probably be finished just about the time you start this
we come
call.
on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I might have to join you. I might have to, go, yep, I'll be there and then just get up earlier.
Yeah.
We'll see. You reckon it's 4 o'clock, do you? Yeah, it would be.
7 p.m. UK time, so it'll be 4.
And so normally this is 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that'd be 4. Okay, no worries. Well, if I can get up at 4:45, 3:30, whatever, that's okay. Let's go to bed earlier,
Yeah.
maybe. We'll
Maybe.
see. All right, gentlemen, I'll
Yeah.
see you tomorrow. Hopefully. See how you go with it. All right.